Hello everyone! I am Mary Ann Rose, a licensed teacher from the Philippines with over 2 years of experience teaching at the elementary level. In my teaching journey, I've developed strong skills in classroom management, ensuring that my students stay focused, engaged, and motivated to learn. I create structured yet interactive lessons that support both academic growth and positive behavior. I also specialize in developing students' English communication skills, helping them build confidence in speaking, listening, and expressing their ideas clearly. As a teacher, I value discipline, adaptability, and teamwork. I can easily adjust to different learning styles, collaborate with colleagues, and align with school standards to achieve shared goals. I am passionate, dedicated, and committed to helping every student succeed not only in academics but also in character. I am excited about the opportunity to contribute to your school. Thank you, and I hope to be part of your team.